You can dance? Okay. Come on, you want me to dance? What you doing? Do you dance, Bliss? Go on, dance for me. Dance. We were dancing with Louis Armstrong, and she liked that from the CD player. Clean up the rocking chair so she can get on it.
You're great.
There we go. Gonna rock? Rocking. Oh yeah. How's that feel? How's that feel, little girl? Tell me. Talk to me. All right. This is long enough, huh? Throw it to me. Throw me the ball. You like a beach ball. Oh, she's going to sit on it. Yeah, that's a girl. Way to go. Woo! She's like, this is my exercise ball. Good girl. Wee-oh. Wee-oh. That's some fun. Look at you go, girl. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, hi there. Oh, yeah. Now you're going to do the dance class? She did the exercise ball. Now she wants to dance. All right, ready? Come on. There we go. Oh, finally. Come on. There, girl. Oh, yeah. There you go. Now dance. So you're not going to dance? All right, I'm done.